Hi guys, I'm Karishma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? So my last video ended abruptly and I got a lot of questions from beginners mostly that ma'am, how should we handle ourselves in an interview and how we move on from one question and how to handle pressure in an interview. So this video is in continuation with my last video and I'm going to answer all your queries from starting to end. So let's just get into the video. From this, most of you must be wearing masks before entering. So I got question, ma'am, should we remove mask before entering or should we keep our mask on and then wait for them to ask us to remove it? My suggestion would be that you remove your mask before entering and you keep it in your pocket or in your hand, like it's your choice, but you can remove before entering. But if you want to move on and you want to wait for them to ask you to remove it, then you can. And second question that I got was, ma'am, should we knock before entering or should we just enter directly? So my suggestion would be that don't knock. Why? Because when the last candidate exits, they take few minutes and then when they're ready, they call in for another candidate, right? So they already know of your presence. So you don't have to knock and then enter. What you can do is you slightly open the door, you nod your head in order to ask for permission to come in, and then when they allow you, you go ahead. And when you are entering, our next question was, ma'am, should we greet them all in one go or how should we greet? So I would suggest that if there's a woman panel member, you should greet her first, saying good morning ma'am or good afternoon ma'am, whatever the time is, and then you greet every man, not individually, not good morning sir, good morning sir, good morning sir, nahi. You should greet them all in one good morning, but looking at each of them. And while you are doing this process of greeting, you should be entering and standing at your position. It should start from that entering zone, from nodding to standing at your position. Some people do that they go to this chair, they stand in front of the chair and then greet. This does not look good. This looks like planned. This looks like scripted. It should not be scripted, it should be very natural. And this is all judged, so you need to be extra cautious. And one tip I'll want to tell, just before you are going to enter, because the person like ahead of you is interviewed, so you keep telling yourself that I have to greet, I have to greet, I have to greet. Because what happens is when you open the door, you see them all. It happens, it's interview anxiety, that you forget to greet. You just move on and maybe you don't even ask for, some people don't ask for even permission to sit, they sit like that only. So keep reminding yourself, it should be fresh in your mind that first thing you're going to do is greet them and then sit and ask, like, wait for the permission, then sit. Now that you are sitting, and this is very important, that how you sit, do not sit like this, because it looks very uncomfortable. It looks like you are making an effort. All your posture, the way you are answering, it should be very natural. Even though it can be practiced or whatever, but it should look very natural. So what you're going to do, you're going to put your hands on armrest and you're going to slightly, very without making any noise, you're going to be sitting with your back supported from the support. And then you can like simply put your hand like this on your legs, or girls can cross their leg, like their hands, and put it on their legs like this. Then you wait for them to ask for your introduction. Now you're introducing. Your introduction is the most important part. Why? First, because it's telling about yourself. It's like you telling them about yourself. And second thing, why it is important, because this is the first thing they're going to hear from you. So it should be very fluent and accurate in everything. So you are uh, introducing yourself. If they don't stop you in between, then you are going to complete your introduction, and then you are going to wait for like few seconds. And if they're not asking anything, then don't be silent, don't hesitate, like have I said something wrong or something. Say, sir or ma'am, is there anything specific that you want to know? And then if they want to know something, they'll ask. If not, they'll move on, they'll ask you something else. It rarely happens, but if it happens, I'm telling you, in that case, now your interview is going on, let's just suppose that they've asked you first question and you have not been able to answer that. Now they have asked you second question, you don't know how, like you don't know the answer to it. They've asked you third question and you know the answer to it, but you are so uh, depressed now that you don't know how to handle yourself. And this is what is checked. They You might not know the first question. They have, like, this is all planned. Maybe they have asked you first question which was tough, second question which was tough, third question which was tough, but fourth question they'll ask you that you will definitely know. And now they're going to check that how will you handle yourself. Are you still in that first, second, third question ka regret, that why I couldn't answer it, or you're moving on and you will tell, like, the answer to the fourth question. So you should keep in mind that don't get stuck at one question. Move on. It is very important in interview. You might not know any answers, but your smile, your personality, the way you are sitting, the way you are reacting to the questions thrown at you, the situations thrown at you, this is all what is checked in an interview, right? So, and one thing that I want to tell is that when one person is asking you a question, look at him only, don't look anywhere else. But when you are answering, do not just answer to that one person. Start by looking at him, but in between, look at each of them with a smile on your face, like subtle smile, not bada sa smile, a subtle smile on your face. Like it should look very natural, that you are not having any problem sitting there with them. It should not be a tense situation. So answer to each of them, and then, like, let's say that you don't know answer to one question. Now I was asked this question that, ma'am, how do we say that we don't know the answer to it? So you just need to say that, sorry sir, I can't recall the answer to this question, or sorry sir, I don't know the answer of this question, I'll definitely read about it. Say like this and move on. Suppose you don't know the answer to the question, and you're saying, sorry sir, I don't know, and you move on. One thing is that you know the answer to it, but right now you can't recall it. So if you are sure that you can recall it, and then you can ask for like few minutes. But if you are sure that you don't know the answer of it, then don't waste time. Do not pretend, like, do not try to say extra things. You know what I'm saying? Just move on with the question. Then like you're going on, then I think I've covered like most of, like, one question I've been asked like many a times, that from girls, that should we wear can we wear jackets and shrugs because it's winter season. So my suggestion would be that wear inners, wear warmers, and you can go wearing any jacket or anything. But when you're entering for the interview, remove that jacket like for 15 minutes, be done with the interview, and then you can again put it on. And I think I can't recall any more questions, but if I have to tell, yeah, I have to suggest one thing that I was asked, that मैम कितने कॉपीज ले जाने हैं डॉक्यूमेंट्स के. तो यार देखो, आपने सारी पढ़ाई अभी तक जितना भी है आपने पढ़ लिया होगा कि 2 सेट्स लेकर जाने हैं या 1 सेट लेकर जाना है, ओरिजिनल्स रखने हैं. सभी के सभी अपने सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स पहले से ही रख दो, है ना. वेट मत करो उस लास्ट डे का, सारा सेल्फ अटेस्ट करके रख दो, सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स अच्छे से फाइल में अरेंज करके रख दो, ठीक है. और बहुत से लोग मुझसे पूछ रहे हैं कि मैम हम प्रोविजनल डिग्री अपनी बनवा लें क्या, इंटरव्यू देने देंगे कि नहीं. इट डजंट मैटर, यू नो, विल दे बी आस्क लाइक विल यू बी अलाउड और नॉट to appear in the interview. It's not about that, it's about the chaos and the headache and tension that you are going to take from all the situation. Just get everything ready, right? So don't put yourself in the situation, because you need to be calm. You're going in for the interview like after 1 hour or 20 minutes or something. So why to take stress? Get your if you can't get your final degree in your hand, get a provisional made from the college. Keep everything in check. जो कुछ कुछ चीज़ें लाइक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हैं जिनके बिना इंटरव्यू नहीं हो सकता है, जैसे कि कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट है, उसके बिना वो आपको अलाउ नहीं करेंगे. 10th 12th का मार्कशीट के बिना आपको अलाउ नहीं करेंगे. और जैसे कि आपके आईडी के अलावा आपको आपके आईडी के बिना आपको अलाउ नहीं करेंगे. वो चीज़ें मस्ट है, उसको रख लो. अगर कोई चीज़ बच जाती है तो ठीक है. जैसे मेरे पास मेरे 12th का सर्टिफिकेट नहीं था, सो आई डाउनलोडेड इट फ्रॉम डिजी लॉकर एंड आई शोड देम दैट प्रिंट आउट एंड आई वॉज अलाउड. दे सेड दैट व्हेन योर actual DB will be after like before joining, then you can show them the original marks, like the original certificate. I was like okay. तो कोई ऐसा हेडेक नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं होगा कि अगर आपके पास डिग्री नहीं है तो आपको रोक लिया जाएगा. बट वाई टू टेक सच हेडेक इफ यू कैन अरेंज. एंड आई थिंक these were all the questions that were asked to me. And yeah, so lastly, like your interview is over, now you are leaving. So one thing, that you are standing from your chair. Now your back should be like, your back is like this and you're coming to the door. So once you have turned your back towards them, do not look back in any situation. If they call you, then of course you will turn, but this won't happen probably. You have come to the door, open the door, and while you're opening and leaving, make sure that you turn your face towards them, but don't make eye contact. Look at the handle of the door or somewhere else, but don't make eye contact, and close door very slightly and politely, and then just leave the room. This is how like you should be, and this is how you should handle yourself according to me in interview. These were all my experiences, and because I was also searching for all these answers when I was going to go for my first interview. So I hope this video is helpful to you, and if you like the video, please press the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.